North Indian veg main course which goes very well with some naan or roti on the side. In this, the paneer cubes and the different color bell peppers are tossed and sauteed in spicy tomato gravy. 250 grams cut into pieces. Salt to taste. 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. 5 Kashmiri dried red chilies. 3 to 5 cloves. A piece of cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic crushed, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves, 2 medium onions cut into cubes, 2 capsicum cut into cubes. Here I have used the red capsicum and the green capsicum. You can use any as per your choice and availability. 2 cups of tomato puree and some fresh coriander. So in a pan, dry roast all the dry ingredients. Here I am using 3 Kashmiri red chilies, cloves, cinnamon, fennel seeds, coriander seeds, black peppercorns and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Stir it to roast properly for 1 to 2 minutes. Keep stirring it until they become slight brown in color and nicely roasted and starts to give good aroma out of it. You can see it is done now. Now I'm going to transfer this into a blender and make a coarse powder out of this. You can see this powder is ready. Next, heat oil in a wok and to this add the remaining cumin seeds. And when this starts to splutter, also add in the remaining 2 dry Kashmiri red chilies along with the green chilies and the ginger garlic crushed. Saute it for a while until the rawness of the ginger and garlic goes away. And then immediately put in the tomato puree into it. Keep sauteing it for 4 to 5 minutes until it is cooked properly. Now while the tomatoes are cooking, in a separate pan, add a teaspoon of oil and to this add the onion cubes and the capsicum cubes, both the capsicums, the red and the green, and toss it on high flame just for a minute. Don't let it cook too much. Now off the flame and keep it aside. Now coming back to the tomato puree, add salt to the tomato puree along with the red chili powder and the earlier prepared roasted kadai masala and mix well. Now mix in the earlier tossed cubed onions and the capsicum to this and stir it for another 1 minute. The onions and the capsicum should retain their crunch, so do not overcook them. Now to this I am going to stir in the paneer pieces and stir it slowly so that the paneer doesn't break. And now I am going to mix the garam masala and the fenugreek leaves to it. I am going to crush the fenugreek leaves little bit this way with the help of my hands and then put it. This gives beautiful and nice aroma to the dish. Now again stir it, and if you want you can add very little water over here. And now close the lid and keep it on low flame for 1 to 2 minutes. Now remove the lid and check. Now it will start to ooze some oil. This is the sign of doneness. Now add some fresh coriander to it and again mix well. Then I am going to serve it and I am going to garnish it with some more fresh coriander on top. And the authentic restaurant style Kadai Paneer is ready, and it has come out quite vibrant and colorful because of the different colors of bell peppers they have used and the color of tomatoes. It goes very well with Lachha Paratha also. And stay tuned to my channel. I'll be